Today I am reviewing HP Desktop Tower PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, let's take a deep dive into the HP Desktop Tower PC, a powerful machine designed for home, business, and student use. This model comes equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12500 processor, and it's safe to say it packs some serious performance. Now, when you hear Intel Core i5, you might think of it as mid-range, but this specific chip is not your average i5. With 6 cores and 12 threads, a base speed of 3.0 GHz, and turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz, this processor actually outperforms even some of the older Intel i7 models, including the i7-11700. That means you're getting excellent performance for multitasking, productivity, and even light creative workloads, without paying i7-level prices. Moving on to memory. This PC is loaded with a massive 64 GB of DDR4 RAM. For most users, 16 GB is plenty, but here you're getting 4 times that. This makes it a beast for handling multiple apps at once, large spreadsheets, photo and video editing, programming, and even running virtual machines. If you're someone who always has dozens of tabs open or you're running heavy workloads, this kind of memory is going to give you butter-smooth performance. In terms of storage, the system includes a 1TB PCIe solid-state drive. Compared to traditional hard drives, PCIe SSDs are significantly faster, with blazing boot times and near-instant loading of applications and files. Whether you're transferring large media projects or just opening daily documents, you'll notice the difference. Graphics are powered by the Intel UHD Graphics 770, which is integrated but surprisingly capable. While this isn't meant to replace a dedicated graphics card for high-end gaming, it can easily handle 4K video playback, casual games, and creative software like Photoshop or Illustrator. For business users and students, this is more than enough. Connectivity is another strong point. On the front panel, you'll find 4 USB Type-A ports at 5 gigabits per second, along with a headphone and microphone combo jack. On the back, you get 4 more USB 2.0 ports, 1 HDMI, 1 VGA, and Ethernet RJ45 port, line-in and line-out audio connections, and a power connector. This variety of ports makes it easy to connect external drives, multiple monitors, printers, and other peripherals without any hassle. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, so you can connect to the internet or pair accessories like wireless headphones, speakers, or even Bluetooth-enabled printers without cluttering your desk with extra cables. The system runs on Windows 11 Pro, which is excellent for both home and business users. You get all the latest features like improved multitasking tools, enhanced security, and access to productivity apps. Having the Pro Edition is a big plus for business professionals who may need additional security and networking features. As for the design, the tower itself is compact and sleek, measuring 11.92 by 6.1 by 13.27 inches and weighing just over 10 pounds. It's a simple, professional look that won't take up too much space on your desk. Alongside it, HP includes a wired keyboard and mouse, giving you everything you need to get started right out of the box. Security is another area where HP delivers. The desktop includes TPM 2.0, padlock loop options, and integrated accessories cable lock support, helping protect your data and hardware. It's also environmentally conscious, with 15% post-consumer recycled plastic in its construction and an 80+ gold power supply for energy efficiency. Overall, the HP Tower PC with Intel i5-12500, 64 GB RAM, and 1TB SSD is an incredibly well-rounded system. It's perfect for students who need power for research and projects, professionals who require reliability for business tasks, and even casual home users who want a future-proof desktop that won't slow down anytime soon. If you're looking for a desktop that balances performance, expandability, and efficiency, this HP desktop is an excellent choice. With strong multitasking power, plenty of memory and storage, modern connectivity, and the reliability of HP's build quality, it's a machine that can handle just about anything you throw at it.